Hello, I'm Daniel Turner, founder and co-director of Animundial, a tourism-focused consultancy specializing in animal and nature protection. In collaboration with the Adventure Travel Trade Association, we are delivering an educational course to the adventure travel sector to help you navigate the complexities of the topic, learn how to identify and minimize negative impact, and where possible, maximize benefits to animals and nature. Consider this course as an integral part of your business as you build back better and strive to play your part in halting biodiversity loss and climate change. In this session, we recognize that tourism and nature are intimately related. Travel and tourism, particularly adventure travel, is uniquely positioned to bring people closer to nature, to understand it and respect it. But more than that, managed well, tourism can become a force for good by bringing greater value and therefore protection to nature. The protection of nature and the future of tourism's prosperity are intertwined. As adventure travel provider, tour guide, destination representative, you probably already value nature and its wildlife and what it uniquely brings to the destination and the enjoyment of your customers. But nature provides a lot more than just our prosperity and enjoyment. It provides the air that we breathe, fresh water and nutritious food, as well as our medicines and materials. It also supports the survival of millions of other animals, regulates the climate, and is essential to life on Earth. In fact, research by the World Economic Forum has estimated that nature generates 44 trillion US dollars of economic value. That is more than half of the world's total GDP. Humanity is highly dependent on nature and its services for survival. Furthermore, generating an estimate of 600 billion US dollars per year in direct in-country expenditures and supporting 6.8% of employment globally, nature is also vital to tourism. But tourism can also be important to nature, with a unique opportunity to invest in its protection and become a driver of change. In this session, we celebrate nature and its biodiversity, its provision of vital ecosystem services, and the role of tourism as a benefactor, despoiler, and saviour. So what is nature? Nature is the very fabric on which all life on Earth is based. It includes plants and animals, the soil, the rock, the air and water that life needs to support it, the rainfall, and the climate that influences it. Nature and its functioning ecosystems is underpinned by biodiversity, or biological diversity, the 8 million or so living species on this planet, from the plants and animals to fungi to bacteria, that together form a web of interconnected relationships known as ecosystems. Each ecosystem in turn is supported by a physical environment, the non-living things, which tend to differ by locality or geographical region, where only those living things that can adapt to the physical environment survive. Commonly referred to as natural habitats, these include the oceans and seas, the forests and coral reefs, tundra and to salt marshes, each a jigsaw puzzle of multiple pieces, the animals, the plants, the fungi, the bacteria, the soil, the rock, and the air and the water, all working together in harmony. That is, unless individual pieces are lost, the ecosystem becomes unbalanced and nature deteriorates.